Hey everybody, we're out cruising around on a Sunday afternoon. Found a new area of cottage villas opened up in St. Catherine, and we thought we'd take you for a little tour. The reason these are called cottage villas is because they also have fenced-in backyards. This is bigger than a patio villa neighborhood because the houses start at about 1,300 square feet and the fenced-in backyards. You can tell they're a little bigger than a patio villa neighborhood. All of these in here are vinyl siding. And yes, there are a bunch of walking trail right here that goes around the ponds and the preserve. But if you notice, we've also got the big electrical wires, and I call them transformers. I don't know what those are, just the big towers. They have a bunch of different styles, different colors. Now, one thing we have noticed in this neighborhood is, if you see right here, the electrical boxes are all in the front yards. So you'd have to be mindful of that if that's something that would bother you, or if they're no big deal. Now, there are tons of stucco homes in the neighborhood of St. Catherine, but just this little section is all vinyl. And these homes do have lanais off the back, like the larger homes do. Okay, in a home like that, you could actually screen in that front porch. Some of them have porches where you could screen it in if you wanted to. Most people don't. Some do. Some do it because of the bugs. They don't want it at their entryway, but that one could be if you wanted a front lanai or screened in front porch. But like I said, that one has one on the side. Most of these have one on the back. And if you get a corner lot like this one, you really get either an odd size backyard or extra large. These people have a huge side yard. said, if you're not into the electrical boxes being in your front yard, it would be something to think about. The prices in here range from approximately $250,000 up to about $340,000. So I'm sure you could find something in your price range in here if you were interested. Okay, so we hope you enjoyed the little tour around the brand new cottage villas in St. Catherine.